In this video, we are going to perform the installation setup for Robot Framework API test automation. First, download and install a Python in your system. In my case, I installed a Python version 3 in my system. Next, install all other libraries needed. Actually, I have had installed the libraries needed. Just follow the command, pip install robot framework. Pip install requests. Then hit enter. Pip install robot framework requests. Then hit enter. Lastly, pip install robot framework-JSON library. I used Visual Studio Code IDE for writing my script. Now, let's verify all of the libraries that we have currently installed. First, open CMD, then type python -- version, then hit enter. See to it if Python version is displayed. Next, type pip show space robot framework. Space requests. Space robot framework requests. Space robot framework JSON library. Then hit enter. That's all for now for the installation. Thank you for watching.